Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you're looking to upgrade the tailpipe tips on, I don't know, a truck like in this example, or any other car, this video is for you. So here's some details on this. The inlet side is right at 2 1/4, right at 2 1/4 on this. And then it opens up right at 3 inches on the exact. This is stainless steel. I mean, this is just, stainless steel. It's got a little weight to it because it is stainless steel, but it's has that polished finish on it. Very, very nice. And the cool part is that having this built-in tapered feature is going to prevent something like this where the welding is not necessarily exactly how it should be, and it's going to give you sort of a cleaner finish, especially if you're using clamps. You want to use clamps, you can definitely go that route, or have it welded on. Now the total length is right at 13 inches where the sizing starts to go down, and then at about 14 1/4, it is now at that smaller diameter, and the total length is right at 16 inches.